Tooth loss is a common issue worldwide, caused by accidents, illness, or poor oral hygiene. Often, we only realize the importance of our teeth once one is missing. Modern dentistry offers two main solutions to replace missing teeth: conventional dental bridges and dental implants. With a conventional bridge, the healthy teeth next to the missing tooth must be ground down to support the replacement. This places extra strain on those teeth and does not stimulate the jawbone. Over time, the lack of chewing pressure can cause the bone and gums to shrink, affecting long-term oral health. Dental implants are a more advanced alternative. An implant replaces the tooth root and functions like a natural tooth. Chewing pressure is evenly transferred to the jawbone, helping preserve bone and gum tissue. Implants restore natural chewing function, support facial structure, and can replace one or multiple missing teeth. They can also securely anchor removable dentures for improved comfort and stability. Dental implants are a long-term investment in your health, function, and appearance. If you're considering tooth replacement, talk to our dentist to find the solution that's right for you.